Aloha everybody, in this video, it is June 17th, 2020. We wanted to show you what Windward Mall and its farmers market looks like today. Windward Mall first opened its doors in 1982 and is located in Kaneohe, which is on the windward side of Oahu. It is an enclosed, air-conditioned mall which is owned by Kamehameha Schools, with a variety of stores, kiosks, restaurants, offices, childcare services, a dance studio, banks, movie theater, and many more. The stage area located in the center of the mall has performances and weekly line dancing. I'll leave a link to their website down below in the description. So the farmers market, which used to be inside, is now in the open parking lot, as you can see. And this is facing Kamehameha Highway and Haiku Road. This farmers market hours are Sunday 9:45 a.m. to 2 p.m. and Wednesday 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. It is subject to change at any time, so double check the schedule before heading down here.
Oh, let's get five.
Okay.
We can mix it up, right? Yeah. Oh, I want to try guava, apple. Let's try five. Can we try five different ones? Oh, those are good.
As you can see, the booths are spread apart, and there are markers for you to wait in line for on the ground, which are about 6 feet apart from each other. And usually I think it's only 1 or 2 families that can shop at one time, so you just have to wait your turn. The two main rules that they have is you touch, you buy. So if you need to dig through some vegetables or fruit, you need to ask for assistance from the seller. And then the second thing is always wear a mask when you're shopping or you're dealing with the seller. And of course, social distance from others, which means 6 feet apart, right? Veggie spring rolls,
Ooh.
tapioca.
Yeah, you shake it every time you like to put over here for me.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So what is this one?
Shrimp summer roll,
Veggie spring.
avocado summer roll.
Oh, this is the
The veggie.
this one. Half yellow.
Yep, good one.
That's nice. Hi, can I interest you in any of our vehicles?
Checking it out.
Yeah, we got lots of good stuff today. We got our tapao, which has our Japanese style hamburger curry, shrimp tempura, kielbasa sausage, and kalbi chicken.
Oh.
We have our kanaka tak, which is very popular. That has our kalbi chicken, kulua pig, and kielbasa and smoked meat. We have our 8.5, our signature bento, because we are 8.5 desserts located upstairs in the mall. It has our kulua pig, smoked meat, kulua pig, kielbasa sausage, kalbi chicken, and shrimp tempura.
Oh wow.
Today I have in our nice little miniature ones, we have garlic butter shrimp and smoked meat. I have kulua pig and Japanese style hamburger curry. And by the way, everything is air fried and our kulua pig is homemade. We make it ourselves.
Oh, cool.
So we also have garlic butter shrimp and our Japanese style hamburger curry, our kalbi chicken and hamburger curry. We have just straight up chicken. We have kalua pig and hamburger curry. I have a chicken and smoked meat.
Right on. Wow, so much variety.
Oh yeah.
How's it? Oh, some big dragon fruit.
Yeah, and like oh, this was a different kilo also.
$5.99.
Yeah, that's the going price I guess, yeah.
Well, the other one was $6.50.
50, yeah.
Let's go inside and show you what stores are open at this time. It may have changed since we videoed this, so always go check the website again, or you can call their store to see if they're open or not. Or they may have different adjusted hours from what their normal hours might be. You cannot enter the mall without a mask on, so make sure you have one with you. We're gonna check out the Paina Ko'olau food places, and you know Paina means party. This is the food court. It usually has chairs and tables all over, but now you can see that they have removed a lot of them. There's still some seating areas, but this is fairly new food court. Hot dog on a stick used to be upstairs, and that Chinese food place used to be Patty's. They moved the food court seating area off to that side over there, which I believe that's where Sears was. I'm not sure if that's, yeah, I think that's where Sears was. And so yeah, there is no longer Sears here at this mall. But yeah, we're just gonna show you around the mall a little bit, just show you snippets. Some of the stores in here you might see closed, but they may be open now, since this is a couple weeks old now.
White chocolate chunks.
I want the double chocolate.
Yeah, would you mind going in that toy store?
Okay. Oh wow.
This is Fortnite, you know,
Looks like Ross's is open, but you gotta use the outside entrance. Yeah. Yeah. This is the hurricane mix. It has kakimochi and furikake in it. It's so good. Hey, how's it? Congratulations to all of the class of 2020. This will be remembered as a very interesting graduating year. This children's play area was closed at the time. I'm not sure if it's still closed, but I'll have a link down below in the description for the Windward Mall website if you want to check it out. And you can find out more current information on there. Yeah, I just saw that. Yeah, I didn't know they have them. I know.
Hey, you should have got your stuff over here.
No. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you Windward Mall, the farmers market and inside. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Aloha.